Hey guys, in this video we will be adding infinite scroll to the collection page of Shopify. We will be using the Dawn theme, but this solution can be implemented in any kind of theme. Let me show you. By default, you can see we have pagination like this on the collection page, and we are currently showing 8 products per page. And the pagination by default looks like this, but we want the results like this. When we scroll a little bit, you can see the loading icon, and it keeps loading when we scroll down. So this is the solution that I will be building right now in this video, and I will also share the snippet with you. Okay, first of all, what we have to do, um, we just need to the themes section in our store, and we can edit code in the live site, or maybe you can duplicate the theme and work on it. And once you implement the solution, you can after that publish the theme after testing. But right now I will be editing the code in the live theme. Here is a step-by-step guide. You can, in the step 1, you just need to create a folder name as infinitescroll.js in the assets folder. In the assets, I am creating this infinitescroll.js, and I'll copy this content from here and paste in this file. And after that, in the step 2, we need to go to the main collection product grid.liquid. I will copy this one, and I will press Control P or Command P for Mac and search for the file name. You can see main collection product grid.liquid. This is the file name that is present for the Dawn theme, but if you have any other theme, this file can be different. So here we just need to locate the product grid. We need to locate the product grid and add the following attribute to the product grid. Let me show you what this means. We have to search for, I am searching like this, Control F. You can use Command F if you are using Mac. Products, and right now you can see this is collection dot product count, products count, products. We need to search for collection dot products, and here we have this one, collection dot products. This is the for loop for product in the collection dot products, and above that you can see ul tag, and here we have the product grid, and we need to add this attribute data product grid right here. And at the bottom, at the end, where we have to search for the bottom of this product grid, and when I click on this, its ending tag will be highlighted automatically, and at the bottom you can see that original pagination is written like this. You can see this is the original pagination that is right here, and we just need to, under the product grid, we need to add the following code for our new infinite scroll. Under here we just add this one, and I am selecting and pressing the tabs to fix the indentation. And after that, in the final step, we need to comment out the original pagination. I will select the first comment, and we need to, and after that I will be closing this comment tag right here. In this way we have commented out the original pagination right from, and I will save this one. And after that we need to go to the theme.liquid. I will press Control P, theme.liquid, and here we just need to copy the script tag like this, and at the bottom we just need to duplicate this one, and here we will be adding infinite scroll.js, and press Ctrl S to save the file. And now if we look our theme, you can see whenever I scroll down, it is loading the files. If I can show you once again, when I scroll down a little bit, you can see the loading is right here. So infinite scroll is done. So please let me know if you have any of the questions, and if you need help from me to implement this on your theme, I can also help you. You can contact me through my website using this WhatsApp link. Thank you.